So you see, in some parts of India, the same festival as it is celebrated as Navratri in Gujarat, same way Goddess Durga is worshipped even in West Bengal. Alright? And this time is called Durga Puja. This period, not 9 days, they have the Durga Puja for 4 days. And they decorate the pandals, the puja pandals, those tents, no? Beautiful. Everywhere, all over India, the pandals are decorated. And wherever Bengalis are there, they have this special different type of puja for 4 days. And this is how the people of West Bengal, they celebrate Durga Puja. And the idols are decorated. The idols are those statues which they put up in the pandals. And after decorating the statues, the idols, they every day they do the puja and all. And then on the last day, on the 10th day, like other festivals, they immerse the idol in a river or pond. It is taken in a procession, and this is how they take it and dip it or put it in the pond or river. Now, like how in West Bengal people celebrate Durga Puja, in Gujarat Navratri, same way even South Indians also. The South Indian means the South Indian states of Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. They also celebrate this Durga Puja, Dashera time, and they call it as what? Bommai Kolu. Navratri is celebrated as Bommai Kolu. And they decorate beautiful dolls in their houses. Their houses they decorate with beautiful dolls. They arrange it in like steps. And those people who are watching this program, they were very much excited to see the beautiful presentation of this house, whatever they presented on stage. And they clapped. All of them clapped when they showed the scene of immersing the statue, no? So river cannot be brought there, but they brought a sari of blue color, and they made it in like waves. They kept on moving the saris like this way, this way, this way, this way, and gave the effect of a river or sea, something sort of thing. That's why the people and the lights were put on, and that's why it was giving a very good effect. And the spectators, those who were the audience who were watching, they clapped during this time because of the beautiful presentation. Now, Navratri and Durga Puja, these two festivals in different parts of India, but in northern India also this festival is celebrated, but as Dashera. All of you all know why Dashera? Because on this day Sri Ram, he killed whom? Whom did he kill? He killed Ravan. On the 10th day, they had a war for a long time, and then on the 10th day, Ravan was killed by Ram. And that's why people, they rejoice in happiness. They celebrate this festival in northern India as Dashera. And this festival, it continues for 10 days. Dashera takes place for 10 days, and end day, the last day, the effigies, the idols what they make of Ravan, Meghnad and Kumbhakaran, they are set fire. They set fire to these idols, and this marks that good always wins over the bad. Evil has the victory. Good has victory over the evil. So this is all about Dussehra, Durga Puja, Navratri and Bombay Polo. I will just wait for a while and show you some pictures also related to this.